Here we go. That's me. And that's Marge.
Wow.
Here we go. Here we go. My favorite room. 312. There it is. Let me take a picture. Oh yeah, 312. Got the fountain. It's a cloudy day, but we don't care because we're going to go have margaritas. Yay. Got little flowers. This is the way we go to the Old Town Tequila Factory. Yeah, baby. Oh, look at the cactus there. Isn't that nice?
Oh, no.
Okay, there's our view. All right. Yeah, it's nicely decorated. I think I smell a barbecue.
I thought I did too.
Yeah, a little whiff. Yes, our ferns, our plants. Oh yeah. What? Oh, out here too.
Are they real?
Yeah, you got fuchsias.
Oh, come. No, look.
Oh, those are really, really good.
Oh, look at over here, these ones.
Oh. Here's some birds somewhere too.
So pretty.
So this is the Hacienda Hotel, one of our favorite places. We just, yeah, I got him. Okay, very good. We're going here. That's where we're going.
It's cold.
Isn't it? Yeah. And our car is parked down here. Oh, there it is. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're going. Should have. So press the button, and then we're going to go up, up, up. Go ahead. Oh, medals.
Oh, they're going to have a celebration.
Are they?
Oh, we've got all those medals.
I see that. Okay. Here we go. Hi. Hi.
Hi, you here with you?
Yes, yes. And we have reservations on just for the open table, Castro, 4:30.
Oh, okay, perfect.
All right. Wherever it's warm. Okay. Isn't that nice up here? Good up here.
I would have to double check on that.
Hope we just that window seal would be fine. Right there. Yeah. Okay. That's Marge and it's me. And this is our view. Pretty good.
Wow.
Oh yes. Beautiful.
Thank you. More chips. More chips and salsa.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.